How to verify eToro account. In order to verify your eToro account, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the eToro application, and you will basically see this type of interface right here. Now once you launch the eToro app, you'll see a pop-up called complete your profile if you have not verified it already. So make sure to complete the profile by tapping and continue, entering your address, country, your experience, and all these questions like your trading experience and everything that it is asking you to do so, such as your trading strategy and so on. Now after you've filled in most of the questionnaires, you will be asked to basically sign up with the form. So just for extra security, you want to select your country code, type in your phone number, send an SMS and verify it, and after that you want to verify with your passport or your ID card. So you need to make sure to have any of these documents with you: a colored photo, full name, date of birth, valid expiration date, and official document number. Make sure to upload it, and also verify the address. Make sure to enter your tax identification number based on what region you're from. Then you can see our verification will be pending, and once the process is complete, our eToro account will be successfully verified. And this way you will be able to verify your eToro account. I hope that this video really helped you, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.